So you've made it to part 3, and this is what I want to emphasize. Therapy teaches skills, neurofeedback trains the brain that relies on those skills. Parents usually choose neurofeedback for 3 main reasons. First, it targets the root of the problem. If the brain is stuck in fight or flight or low activation, skills won't stick until regulation improves. Second, it doesn't rely on talking. This matters for younger kids with ADHD, autism, or kids who just shut down emotionally or just don't have the language to describe what's actually happening inside of them. And third, changes show up pretty quickly and in real life. Parents start to notice better sleep, fewer meltdowns, improved focus, and faster emotional recovery. And this doesn't take years. In fact, within the first 5 to 10 sessions, I'm hearing this in about 90% of the kids and adults that I work with in neurofeedback therapy. The best outcomes often do come from combining neurofeedback with therapy. And once the brain is more regulated, therapy becomes easier, faster, and more effective. So if you're wondering whether your child needs neurofeedback, here's the real question. Is your child struggling because they don't understand their emotions, or because their brain can't regulate them yet? That's exactly what brain-based care is designed to answer. If you like this type of content, make sure you like, follow, and subscribe for more, and drop a comment below and let me know what your experience has been in talk therapy for ADHD. See you in the next one.